Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we are going to show you how to build your own DIY white marker board. So stick with us today. And many of you remember this video build that we made. And we've got another DIY build. We're gonna spend about $30 to $35. We're gonna make us a whiteboard. If you're a teacher, coach like myself, or you just want this for your house, we're gonna show you how you can go to Lowe's, get a few supplies, and build it for you. All right, let's go to Lowe's. And you wanna get the 4x8 sheets of whiteboard. And you'll see it's got that glossy look with the brown backside. That's the kind you want, not the plastic. The next material you're going to need is a 1x3 board. These are in 6-foot lengths, and we're going to get 4 of these and cut them to size. And we're going to take advantage of the free cutting service here at Lowe's. We'll grab a box of these 1/2-inch flathead screws, and this is what's going to attach the board to the wood frame. Now we're going to cut those 1x3s into 4-foot sections. That's going to make the sides of the boards, which is going to make your frame. So 2 of the sides are 4 feet, the other 2 are 6 feet. Now we're going to go paint each of those boards, and we like to pre-paint them so they're nice and dry. It's really hard to paint these trim pieces once you get the whiteboard attached to the frame. Now we're going to take each of those frame pieces and we're going to put Gorilla Glue all the way around it. This is going to help to secure the frame to the whiteboard, just to keep everything together and make sure that the trim pieces don't come off. Now we're going to lay the whiteboard piece right on the frame, trying to make sure that we line up each of the corners, and then we will attach the whiteboard to the frame. This should keep everything secured until we can get it anchored into the wall. Here's the part where we add those flathead screws. We're going to attach it from the back side. It'll keep it nice and flush, so it shouldn't affect anything when we attach it to the wall, and it helps to lock everything into place. And we'll just keep repeating that step all the way around the board. Now this next step, you're definitely going to need some help because you don't want the board to shift or move on you, and everything is still drying. So once we got it up on the wall, we can get it anchored and it'll be secure in place. And now you see that 2x4 that we had on the wall, that is driven in with concrete bolts, and so it is locked into place. And now we're just going to attach the frame to that 2x4 all the way around using masonry screws. So there you have it, about $30 to $35, and you can have your own DIY white marker board. Thank you guys for joining us today, and if you like this video, I've got another DIY video you can check out as well. I'll leave that right now. That's right. You tell them.